If you're looking for a great 8-outlet surge protector with 2 USBs and A's and 2 USB-C's, you're absolutely going to love this. This is exactly what it looks like right here. Love the fact that it comes packaged really nice. Your cord's not all over the place. We have the on-off button over here, which makes it really nice. So we got the 4 plugs right over here, another 2 over here, another 2 over here, which is great. And then over here is where we'll have our devices that are going to charge. So you could do the USBs right over here and then USB-Cs down here. I like the fact that these are spread out because I have a lot of Apple products, and usually if these are all on one strip, the charger blocks these other ones. So this, you could just put 4 here. If one blocks the other one, no big deal because we have them on these other sides. This could also be mounted as well. So if you're looking for a great surge protector that has 8 outlets and plenty of room to charge, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over so I can do this for you.